Hey guys, welcome to Minecraft 15.0 Alpha Build 1. Today I'm showing you on how to make a lava trap. Let's get started. All you're gonna need is sticky piston, block of quartz, iron door, chest, redstone, and a lever. Actually, you're not gonna need block of quartz. You can use any block of your choice, but I'm going with some block of quartz. And you're also gonna need any stair of your choice. So I'm using this. First you have to make something like that, and then you put some how you can put as many as you want on how long your trap you want to be. So I'm gonna make it that this long there, and then on the end you're gonna put a iron door, and behind it is a chest, but don't put anything in it because this is a trap, so it's like you're gonna fool them. And there is a lever supposed to be, and then they're gonna make like a cover for that. So it's up to you whether you want to cover it or not, since it's a trap. So you're gonna do this. It's not really gonna activate because it's a trap. So what we're gonna do is put a piston over here. Wait, it's supposed to be facing downwards. There. From your starting point until the end, except for the one with the door, because if you remove that, it removes the door. So you're not gonna put a sticky piston there. It's gonna be hard if you make it like 2 blocks, something like that there. And then here you're gonna put redstone on all of the pistons until the last one. Make sure they're all connected. And then you put a lever which activates the the pistons, and you have to remove all the blocks that are blocking your pistons. And then wait, I broke the there. And then what you're gonna do is you have to break another layer. So this is where you put your lava. Even though I didn't tell you to bring lava. Sorry about that, guys. There, then you put lava all over the floor. There. Then what you're gonna do now is activate the pistons. See, it's covered. Wait, you're not gonna need this anymore. So example, someone broke into your house and then wants to open the chest but doesn't have anything, so you like want to put a sign to really trick them. So you have to put a sign there. Lever to open the door. Then when they press it, see, they fall into lava. Or if you want to make it more deeper, you just keep breaking. For example, like they fall, so they like die. You just keep it activated. There. There. See, the trap already works. So, hey guys, I'm back. I finished the whole thing, and then, or you could just pretend like this is a hidden room, and then your friend finds your hidden room, and then they see a corridor, and then they put some torches, and then there they see a door and a chest. So they open it and then fall into lava. They try to open it but fall into lava. See? Wait, I'm just gonna make last change. Dang it. There you have your very own lava trap. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Leave a like. Please subscribe.